During their catastrophic invasion of Ukraine, the Russians never managed to fulfill the basic precondition for conducting a successful military offensive operation. It is, of course, the establishment of air superiority over one's enemy. American Stinger missiles in the arms of Ukrainians have proven to be a dangerous weapon for obsolete Russian aircraft. A recent video showed a Stinger striking a Russian Orlan-10 drone and blasting it out of the sky. The Ukrainian soldier simply pointed the launcher and fired the missile. The Stinger guidance system took over and eliminated the unmanned craft. The name Stinger resonates in the ears of Russians much earlier. Even during the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, American Stingers decimated Russian helicopters in that war. The Stinger is still making Russia pay the price for invasions on other countries. Stingers have been especially effective against low-flying attack helicopters. The United States has sent about 1,400 Stinger systems to Ukraine, so many that it had to place a backfill order of 1,300 Stingers in a $624 million contract to Raytheon Technologies in late May to make up the difference. Germany has also sent Stingers to Ukraine. Before the war in Ukraine, the Stinger had been effective in other conflicts. 4 different wars saw Stinger destruction, with a 90% success rate, according to Raytheon. Since the missile is not wire-guided, it is fire and forget. Users do not have to sight it all the way into the target. Soldiers can shoot and then move immediately to a covered and concealed position before the aircraft counter-fires. It has a range of up to 11,000 feet with a 5-mile range and is accurate due to its infrared seeker. New users take to it immediately. With the help of a spotter communicating with forward observers, the soldier points at the target, waits for the noise that signifies a lock and pulls the trigger. It is ironic that another Russian aerial invasion has been stalled by Stinger missiles. Russia has a qualitative and quantitative advantage in fighter jets and attack helicopters just like in Afghanistan, and the Stingers are answering the call to eliminate this advantage. Operation of the Stinger can be handled by Ukrainian reserve territorial defenders or non-professional soldiers due to its ease of use. Using the Stinger to eliminate enemy drones is also important as Russia's unmanned vehicles are often attached to artillery units with the drones as spotters. Stinger success will help the Russian artillery from having a decided advantage when it comes to targeting the Ukrainians. The Stinger will continue to haunt the Russian Air Force. It is lightweight, portable, accurate, and easy to use, all aspects that make it great for asymmetric warfare when the friendly forces are outgunned and outmanned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.